What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiara, and welcome back to my channel, Kingdom Key Beats. And baby girl, as you can see, I am rocking some blue hair. It's been a while since I've tried a different color. I'm always experimenting on different colored hair, and I'm just like, you know what? I never tried blue. Let me try blue, and I am actually loving this color. And yes, I am about to be extra and match my makeup look to my hair. Period. But I am starting out with my Studio Fix primer, and I am just applying that all over my face. And this is just to help keep everything mattified, and your girl has oily skin, so I have to use primer. Now I am going in with this dark brown eyebrow pencil by NYX, and I am using that to just fill in my brows. And as you can see, I'm going back and forth filling in both of my brows very lightly, and I'm using that spoolie to brush out the front part of my brow so that it has that gradient effect. I am using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to outline my brows, and this just helps clean them up and create a sharper look. I am now using that beauty blender to blend all of the concealer out. And look at those brows, honey. They sharp for you. They definitely sharp. I'm using that LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal both of my eyelids, and this is just used as a base for my eyeshadow. I am now blending that concealer out on both of my eyelids. I am going in with my NK setting powder in the color Banana, and I am using that to set the concealer on both of my eyelids, and this just helps to make sure that concealer doesn't move when applying my eyeshadow. I am taking my Beauty Glaze Color Fusion eyeshadow palette, and as you guys can see, like, this palette is definitely bomb and has a variety of colors in this palette, but I'm using that yellow shade as a transition to start off my eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with that pink shade, and I'm going to apply that on top of the yellow eyeshadow and blend that out. Now I'm going in with that fuchsia shade. It's like a fuchsia purplish kind of color, and at this point I'm just making up the color. But I am applying that color on top of the pink shade that I applied before, and now I'm going in with the purple shade, and I'm applying that shade on top of the fuchsia color. And as you can see, it's just a cycle of going back and forth, making sure the colors are nicely blended so it doesn't look harsh, but you have a gradient effect on your eyelids. Now I'm just going in with a flat brush and using the LA Girl concealer to create my cut crease. I am now going in with some powder to set my cut crease. I'm taking my Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that color Anger, and I'm applying that to the beginning of where my cut crease starts. Now I'm going in with the color Harajuku. Yes, that is the name of that color. And I'm applying that to the rest of where I cut my crease. Now I am going in with some glitter, specifically some liquid glitter, and I am going on the top of my cut crease and just outlining it in the direction of where my cut crease is. I am now taking my e.l.f. liquid liner in the color black, and I am creating me a wing liner on both of my eyelids. I am using this NYX foundation in the color Cocoa, and I've applied that to my face, and I am blending that out. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer once more to highlight underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow, my chin, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead as well. Now I'm taking that beauty blender to blend out my concealer and just making sure everything is blended out nicely so there aren't any harsh lines. I'm going in with that MK setting powder, and I'm just basically setting all the places where I highlighted. Now I'm going in with the brush that I use to apply my foundation, and I'm just blending the outer parts of my face to make sure there aren't any harsh lines and just to bring some more color into my face. And this can also be used as a technique for contouring. And also using that setting powder to carve underneath my cheekbones so that the contour looks more defined. I am now going in with my Morphe palette and using that pink shade as a blush and applying that to my cheeks. I'm using my Mario Badescu Rose Water, and I'm using that to set my entire face. Now I am going in with which seems to be my favorite part of my makeup routine, which is highlighting. Like, it just is, because baby girl, I am glistening. I am glistening. Do you understand me? But this is my Revolution highlighter, and I'm also using that to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. I'm taking these 3D mink lashes, and boom, your girl has lashes. But now I'm going in with that Anger color again, and I'm using that shade to blend out on my lower lash line. Y'all, my eyes were watering up like crazy. As you can see, I get agitated. But now I'm going in with that Wet n Wild mascara, and I'm using that to apply to my lower lashes. Now I'm using this loose glitter by MAC in the color Royal Blue, and I'm applying that to my lips because, baby girl, I had to match this makeup look to my hair. And we had to be dramatic. We just had to. It wasn't even an option. Now let me take these clips out of my hair so I can really get down because, baby girl, we about to cut up. We are about to cut up. I told y'all we about to cut up. Well, guys, that concludes this video. If you like this video, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press that notification bell so that you're notified every time I drop a new video. Well, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.